nayo msiyeba mfumo sosemene ke dumedise bamamedi ba rona ba KSD radio kwa lona ba ka mehla e leng baba wa Tshabalala re le nane go le legolo le bitswang ka hore ubuntu bethu. Namhlanje ke sinazo ke ivakashi zethu ezisivakashele la ekhaya. Njengoba besishilo ukuthi esizoxoxisana ngako namhlanje ile gama nje phecelezi elibizwa ngokuthi Africanism. Manje silana ke namuhla sizoxoxa lokho ke sizoxoxa ngalesihloko lesi esibizwa ngokuthi iAfricanism. Manje uma ngisho njalo sisalinde umama Bula uzongena manje isikhathi lesikhapheli inhliziyo. Kodwa ke into engayenza manje isikhathini samanje ukuthi ngilongenepha izingcingo zethu zala ekhaya ukuthi uma ufuna ukusithinta usithinta kuziphi izingcingo la ngasekhaya. Izingcingo zasithinta kuzo zithi nje kuphela 083 591 8214 083 591 8214. Ake siqale nje ngokubonga kule festival ebesinayo ngale weekend esindlula kuyo. Siyabonga kakhulu abantwana bebebahle kakhulu, sibonga abazali abazile ukuzosupporta ingane zabo lapha kule festival ebesinayo. Beyinhle kakhulu. Ngiyathemba ukuthi iKSD izozama ukuthi ifake kule zinto zethu ama WhatsApp lawa khona noma zona ama TikTok lawa ukuthi nikwazi ukuyibona leya festival ukuthi bengayiphi indlela umntwana womuntu omnyama ezigqaja ngobuhle bakhe, ezigqaja ngesiko lakhe. Manje uma sisho kanjalo sithi siyabonga kakhulu nakubantu abafikile bazosupporta izingane. Kubonakala ngathi kunesikhalo sokuthi ngoSeptember siyobuya ngalesa sikhathi seHeritage. Ngathi kunesikhalo ke sokuthi kumele ibuye leyo festival ebesiyenzile, kodwa mhlambe seyenzeka ngendlela enye. Make sibonge yonke iexecutive yamakhosazane wamangwane awu ngokusiphathela umsebenzi omuhle ngendlela eyisimanga. Ngabe senza iphutha uma singeke sibonge isiqholo, sibonge isinkwa sethu ngokuthi sixhase lo yamsebenzi ebesinawo lapha. Siyabonga kakhulu. Abantu bebekhona ke wena uphuthelwe njengoba wawungekho awuyibonanga indlovukazi ifike yagcwala indawo lapha kwalilizwe labantu kwagiwa kwaba mnandi. Abantu basendaweni yangakithi sebayazi ke indlovukazi yamangwane. Masibonge ke ngeke sipheze ukubonga amaphoyisa ebewekhona eqaphe isimo lapha. Sibonge wonke umuntu, Teasers Production belapha izosixhasa kakhulu besebenza ngama technician lapha. Sibonga wonke nje umuntu oxhase lo yamsebenzi. Angeke sipheze abogogo, ngeke ngibabize bonke kodwa ngizombiza ugogo abongiwe, ngimbize ugogo aphiwe, ngimbize ugogo noSisa. Ngeke ngibabize bonke abobaba bebekhona lapho, abobaba uZu mangibabonge kakhulu. Ngibonge yonke icrew yeKSD, icrew yeKSD belapha yonke ibambe umsebenzi. Ngabe ngenza iphutha mangeke phakathi kwabo nje ngibonge ubaba uTag My Tag. Hayi bekezibambile ngesisuthu bathi tsena tsa technique. Siyabonga kakhulu, kube nomsebenzi omuhle kakhulu. Njengoba ke nazi ke namhlanje umvulo, namhlanje sesibuyile ke ngalohlelo lwethu oluhle kakhulu la sizigqaja khona ngobuntu bethu. Le hopole bamamedi mo le lenteng hore lenaneho lena le go leng ho lona ke lenaneho le re ikgantshang ka botjhaba ba rona mona mo re buang ka rona re le maAfrika. O tsebe mananeo a itsuwa ka ofela, be mananeo a o tantsha, be mananeo a metjiko. Lela le ikgethile momamedi hobane ke lenaneo le buang ka botho ba rona, ka botjhaba ba rona, ka rona. Ke re bena le monyetla jwalo ka batho re jwalo ka setjhaba ke bua mehla lenaneo lena ke re ditjhaba tse ding di qoqa ka tsona, di bua ka tsona. Ke rona fela, ke setjhaba sa rona fela se sa buing ka rona. ona o tsatse re bue ntho tsa mannete re ipuela dintho tsa papa management ya KHD bo re fe monyetla ona wa hore re be na le lenaneo lena le matla ha kana ka nako e sa fediseng pele ke tla le tsebisa baeti ba rona ba teng setse ba le teng ka hare sebaka baeti ba rona o teng mme o tla kena hona jwale o ntsa lokisa ntho tsa hae ka mane ka boardroom o tla kena hona jwale ke tla ke le tsebisa baeti ba rona ba tla be ba le teng ka jeno ha ke no phetsa he ho leboha ba bontsele siyabonga la ukhona sibonga namazwi akho mawugibela phezulu kwestage ukhuluma nabantu baseval ubatshela ukuthi ngoSeptember ufuna laphayana bokuvalwe ngomuntu esango manje siyabonga kakhulu sibonge bonke abaphathi ebebekhona laphayana ubaba uShaka Radebe from the Department of Arts and Culture beke laphayana ezoxhasa umsebenzi omuhle kangaka weingane into ebaluleke kakhulu bazali ukuthi ingane zethu zingazikhuleli nje ingane makube mazikhuliswe ngokwendlela ukhona esinye isikhulumi ethe masikhuluma laphayana wathi akunanto engiyithanda njengalena because ngiyazi ukuthi ingane yami isafe athi every time ingane mayiphuma ukuyohlolwa ngiyajabula uma ama results ebuya ethi ingane iseseyintombi nto athi angazi ukuthi ngimenzeleni umntwanami so siyabonga imisebenzi abogogo abawenzayo umsebenzi onamandla kakhulu ukukhulisa isizwe akusiyona into yokudlala ukukhulisa isizwe akusiyona into yokudlala nizomkhumbuza ke uma uhlelo lethu liyophelela ngizoninika amanamba ngoba sinabantu abaningi abafuna ukubhalisa izingane zabo abathi cha sifuna nathi ingane zethu zikhule ngendlela elungile ngendlela yesiko manje sizonipha ke inombolo zabagogo bathinte kanjalo niyobhalisa izingane khona le kuma khosazane wamangwane nikhumbule ukuthi balapha ezolu14 abanye balaphayana ngase Golden Gardens so njengoba isikhathi sesime kanje make sibuke ke umama wethu nangu uzongena ke manje njengoba sesukudala simlindile kodwa sike singaqala ke mangenze kanje niyangazi ukuthi mangiqala ngalendlela ngeke ngithi mina ngumshengu ngishabalala ngidwaba lamavuso ngidwaba sintulu phela mina ngenkatshambani thina esathi umhlaba udilikile kanti cha sisengezimithi imino kwalo wawawa imino kamandla ngempisi imino kantabaka igonto okamhlangamvula umhlangamvula ongawena owela zinkonjane zezulu thina yathi umasibhodla kwazama ucingwana solidwalo mangibulise ivakashi zethu namhlanje ntate umaphela
ngiyaphila baba Shabalala ibe wena uphilile
cha siyaphila
masibonge Nkosi
awubulise ababukeli phela la siyabukela kusabalaleli la ababukeli make sibulisa ababukeli ekhaya ubazise ukuthi ubaba ungubani kanjani
alright no ithi ngithathe leli thuba ngibonge yazi singabantu abamnyama into uqala ukuthi kumele sibonge sifundiswe njalo ukuthi kumele sibonge umdali ukuthi usiphe ithuba lokuthi siphile namhlanje ngithathe ngibulise futhi ababukeli bethu nababukeli bakho wena baba uShabalala ngegama umpiyakhe uSigegedu Nhlaphu noNgombili ovala ngamakhanda amadoda eminyango odlumhlehla ubhabhakazi uthi ke zomnyama sakathelekile ngaphathi kwendawo
hayi masibonge baba ntate Hlahane okodumedise babohedi ba rona hae mo o ba tsebise hore ntate Hlahane ebe ke mang o tswa kae
ke lebohela ho thola sebaka sa ho ba studiong Thapemeng ya kajeno lebitso ke Matebesi Hlahane ke tswa Sharpeville ke thabetse ho ba sebakeng ka lebaka la topic ya letsatsi la kasheko ditabeng tse ke nahanang hore kgale re labalabela hore di ka fihlela setjhaba sa bo rona. Ka mantswe ao ke a leboha up to so far, but before hona le ntho ne ke kopa hore e ke boneng e ke thotse mona ka stadium ha ke fihla, ke kopa ho itoboketsa ka video clip ena ke tshwereng. Ntate Tshabalala re kenyetse ona hanyane fela le utlwa ditaba tse tswang mona tse ke di tholang di etsuwa ka hara studio. Ntate Tshabalala nka kopa fela hore ha o kgonahala o ko utlwise
momamedi
ba rona ditaba tse monate.
Take my take, ha re kene kare taba ke ena mona. A ke re bapalle momamedi ntho ke ena mona. Ke re bapalle momamedi a ka utlwe ntate Hlahane o tshwere mofao mona o lakatsa go momamedi a ka utlwe tsa bohlokwa. Ke ena Mama Mabula.
You know, I'm a very big proponent of the idea that when your language is not the language of power, you'll never be free. And there are 11 of them here. Indigenous languages completely marginalized. When people don't learn in their language, and their language is not the language of the discourse, they will always remain on the periphery of everything in society. We can worship in Zulu, in Setsonga, in Venda, in Sepedi. We can do everything. We can produce knowledge. You can go to court and argue. I wanted to argue in Zulu in court once, and the black judge stopped me. Just tells you how deep the problem is. The black judge did not think law could be argued in Zulu and did not think it was appropriate because he does not think his race is appropriate. Talked about language, Mzee. You know, I'm a very big proponent of the idea that when your language is not the language of power, you'll never be free. And there are 11 of them here. Indigenous languages completely marginalized. When people don't learn in their language, and their language is not the language of the discourse, they will always remain on the periphery of everything in society. We can worship in Zulu, in Setsonga, in Venda, in Sepedi. We can do everything. We can produce knowledge. You can go to court and
Asibonge ga le bua ntate Hlahane ha re amohele meetu wa rona wa boraro ka tsatsi lena la kajeno. Mme Mama Mabula kgotso. Ako o dumedise babui ba rona lapeng mo o bo ba tsebise hore Mme Mama Mabula ke mang.
Dumelang bamamedi malapeng a buang le lona ke Mme Mama Mabula, ke titjhere ke Mosotho ke mo Afrika a motlotlo haholo ka Afrika ba hae.
Ha re lebohe kajeno re tabana le letsatsi le monate haholo. Hona le twekang e ntse ba pala ba tla re time. Kajeno re tabana le letsatsi le monate haholo. Ke ne e ne le takatso ya ka hore kajeno re ke re qoqe baba Skekete baba Mfundisi. Kunale gama leli ekuthiwa iAfricanism. Le Africanism ngithanda nje uma phecelezi ningayibeka ngokwe understanding yenu indlela elizwisisa ngayo. Lo hlelo lethu lenzele ukuthi umuntu omnyama akhule engqondweni nasemoyeni. Lo hlelo lethu lenzele ukuthi sabantu abamnyama sikhulume ngathi. Ngoba we are very good in articulating izinto zabanye abantu. Kodwa makufika impini zethu sabantu abantsundu kuba mnyama. Ngithi uma ngikhuluma nababukeli bethu ngithi nanoma senza imisebenzi emakhaya. Imbuzi yenkosi yalandwa imbuzi noma imvu ihlatshwe. Ingane nazi izigcwele zabo malume zabo bani akunalale ingane kezibizwe. Kuthi wena yabona le mbuzi njengoba ihlatshwa kanje. Isizathu sokuthi ihlatshwe nalisi. Ukwenzela ukuthi ingane zisale zinolwazi lwesintu. Manje ispace leso esihlala si vacant sivalwa itelevision. Ngoba itelevision ifundisa ingane zethu ukuthi okuhle okumhlophe kodwa okumnyama kubi. So understanding yakho wena baba Skekete leli gama Africanism uma usolibeka nje ungalibeka phecelezi nje uthi lithini ngencaziselo yakho.
Baba Shabalala, ethi ngibonge umbuzo wakho nababukeli bakho lapho ekhaya. No, ngithanda umbuzo wakho. Yazi legama leli iAfricanism. Simply isho into ikhuluma ngathi thina abantu abantsundu. Ikhuluma ngeidentity eyethu singabantu abamnyama. Isintu sethu. Simply that. Ubuthina Africanism.
Ubuntu bethu identity yethu singama Africa. Oceda ukukhuluma into ebalekile lana ethi singabantu base Africa. I-television isisusile la siphu abokhokho bethu basuke khona basiletha manje it shifted everything eyethu sesibuyela into I mean angisazazi nami nginjinana kahle ukuthi ngubani ngikhuliswe kanjani sengiadoptwe into engingayazi ngoba le TV imfundiso zayo ziphambene neimfundiso zabomkhulu nabogogo. Imfundiso ze TV zisifake weni. Ntate Hlahana. Africanism. Ngwana motho wa motsukwane o tshwere pene o ka tlung. O batla go mamela hantle hore ha o bua ka Africanism, some of them ke lentswe le ba sa le understanding le ba sa le tsebeng. Hobane le classing ha ba kopane le mantswe a jwalo. Deliberately so our system ya education ya rona yentse hore iska ya bua ka rona ya re ruta ka rona. Jwale ha re bolella ngwana motho e motsho ha e mane hore Africanism ke eng ha o iqaqolla?
Ke lebohele sebaka hape. Ke hopole maobane ha ne ke thola kholo ho tswa ho Ntate Chabalala. Ang kopa ho ke tlo ba studio today this evening. O la nqaqisetsa hore letsatsi la kasheko ho tlo bua ka eng. Ambehela ho tlo bua ka Pan-Africanism. And then ha ke thola the invitation this morning, ke thola the title is written Africanism. Then there's a difference between Pan-Africanism and Africanism. So ke nahana pele re tlo kena ho concept tseo tse pedi. A ke re khutlele morao ka ha se ke senyile maikutlo ka ditaba tse ke qeta mo utlwa ho Ntate ha qeta bua le Ntate Chabalala lona jwale hore bana ba rona ba se ba tswile tseleng. Se entseng hore bana ba bo rona le setjhaba sa bo rona sa batho ba batsho se tswe tseleng whereby ha re na le mefuta e meng e re nkela fatshe.
Yes.
Jwale ke tlo kopa hore ha re khutlele morao hobane bophelo bo bong le bo bong lefatsheng ke Africa ke Europe ke USA and other parts of the world bona le historical background. Now the historical background ya rona ya batho ba batsho ha re khutlela dikolong tsa rona hona le se re ileng ra se tima. Rona mona South Africa ha re kena ka di-classeng tsa history re fuwe hore bophelo ba rona bo qadile ho the arrival of Jan van Riebeeck in 1652.
Yes.
Now ha rena tsebo yane ya hore pre-colonial era how was the African continent. Re tlamehile hore re tsebe hore African continent ena ya rona, it was not a vacuum. It was occupied. And by whom was African continent occupied? History re tlamehile hore re tsebe. Now for us to be in the know-how, re tlamehile hore re shebe African continent ka bophara hore e qala ho kae ho fihlela ho South Africa or ho Southern Africa. Now today ka ditsebi our African continent by divided into three, of which re na le geographical repositioning of Africa, economic repositioning of Africa, and social repositioning of Africa. Geographically speaking and politically, our continent is divided into two, which is Northern Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa. Knowledge ena ke nahana hore dikolong tsa rona bana ba rona ha ba e fuwa. Ene e leng yona ntho e ke nahanang hore e bohloko e etsang hore today re be setjhaba se sollang. I mean, how le motho o phela o tseba your history. Re na le part tse tharo bophelong tsa where are you from, where are you going. So today we are what we are, but we don't understand our past. Hakalo ke kopa hore re ntse re tlo tswella pele ke fe mme sebaka a ka re qaka re tla khutlela hape ne re tswelle pele ka leboha.
Natehlane o bile mantswe a matla ka tsela makatsa mama mabu ke rata hore panel ya rona ya kajeno abothisha babili nomfundisi abothisha babili nomfundisi mama mabula sehloho ke sena Africanism re na le dikgaitsedi le babuti ba dutse fatshe ba ikwalletse ka dikamoreng ba tshwere difounu tsa bona ba tshwere pene o mongwe wa bona mohlomong o na le scholarship sa hore a ye France go di etla ka selemo se tlang mpa o batla hore ha fitla France a ska ba diluted a itsebe hore ha ba palama podium motho mongwe a rame Japanese o mongwe a ra ame French o mongwe a an American le yena ba ema proudly so a rame African lentswe lena Africanism ka kutlwisiso ya hao le hlalosa hore
ke lebohe sebaka hape Ntate Shabalala.
ke batla ho checka camera ena ke bona ka re yo shoota ka morao wa bula ke batla batho ba o bone ka sefahlehong ya ke batla batho ba o bone ka sefahlehong ingeza phambili kancane umama mabula elivelisa iduku ngasemuva ngathi ingeza phambili kancane abantu bakwazi ukumbona nangoke hayi nangoke ngathi uyavela tshalo
Ke a leboha Ntate Shabalala ka monyetla hape lentswe lena Africanism le bolela fela setso botho ba rona ubuntu bethu jwalo ka bana ba ma-Afrika nka qolla fela ntho tse mmalwa puo ya rona ko motlotlo ko our pride botjhaba ba rona ko ke
dijo tsa rona
moaparo wa rona.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ke dumellana le dibui tse pedi
Yes.
hore ho na le mo phoso e bileng teng
Yes.
ha nako e ntse e tsamaya hobane hona jwale ka hare ho dikolo tsa rona nnete ya sala history ena ha re e bue re se re mpa fela re commemorate ra hopotsa re hopola ka hodimo.
Yes.
Hona le kgwedi ena e tlang ena e bitswang September e re reng ke Heritage Month.
Yes.
Ha re commemorate dikolong tsa rona re hopola fela ka hodimo re ho bana ha ebe o le moZulu tlo wa apere diaparo tsa seZulu ha ebe o le Mosotho tlo wa apere diaparo tsa Sesotho empa ha re tebe hore ha o le Mosotho hantle o mang wena and re fumana bana ba rona ba bangata ba ishebela fatshe ba inyatsa.
Yes.
Ba inyatsa haholo e ka re o motho ha o bua sekgowa fela
Yeah.
ha o tshwanela hore o kete e ka re o etsa ntho e
sa
tlwaelehang
Yeah.
o salletse morao haholo.
Sure.
Nna mama bula wa tseba ntho e buang ke na le hore ha ke tsamaile le bana mohlomong re ile metse stropo mona ha re tse mohlala ka Valmolo ke ba imise ke re sheba ngwana ana le kgotsa majwang ha o mo sheba o upright a hitla phahame ngwana motho wa motho go re nkare o tlo utswa kapa nka o tlo kgalenyelwa ha tsamaye a phamisitse mahetla naheng ya hae gore a bontshe hore naha ena ke yaka batjaki naheng ya rona ke bona ba tsamang ke ntho se ke ihlokomela le matswa ka ntle lona bila especially bo Nigerian wa fumana tsa maphamisitse difuba Joburg mane motho wa motho beng ka re skepselenyana ha tsamaya ke re batho bana ba re shapile in terms of dignity ya rona ba re le maditse ka tsele makatsana batswadi ha ke botse ha le hlalositse Africanism e leng ntho e ntle hakana. Ho lahlile kae? Ho senyehile kae? Hobane haebe ke le utlwa hantle, ke tsela ya rona ya ho phela. Le buile ka puo tsa rona, dijo tsa rona, la bua ka meaparo ya rona. Empa ka jeno hore ke be accepted, ke le Chabalala, ke tshwantse ke kenye sutu le tae. Ebile ke tshwantse ke bue sekgowa se hodimo, batho ba tla nshapela matsoho, ho ba nna Chabalala ke ka kapa. Empa nka hla ke bua leleme lena la moshweshwe, ebile ke mpara ena e fetang dimpara kaofela, ebile mohlomong e seng nkgono wa ka wa loya. Empa ha nka ba wa bana le bosounyana, then ke hantle jwale le setjhaba ho bua kopanong, se tla o opela matsoho, motho a ne ke ka kapa. Ho senyehile kae batho ba?
Ntate Babu Chabalala, yazi ngifuna nje ukuphawula nje kuphela as umfundisi. Yazi imosheke esikhathini sakudala, awuzingithi abokhokho bethu kade bayiphethe kahle, beza nayo kahle, basifundisa inhlonipho. Lena seyiphelile khona manje. Esikhathini sakudala manginokukhumbula kahle, ngifuna ukulinga ukukhuluma inkulumo yami, ngingakhulumi lesingisi. Ya, noma sebalekile kodwa ngifuna ukulinga ukuthi ngikhulume. Abogogo nabomkhulu bethu esikhathini sakudala akade basayiphethe lento before imosheka. Besifundiswe inhlonipho masingabantwana. Boyazi ukuthi ngeke umuntu omdala ame wena
uyashisela bese.
Ngiyamuzwa baba wena.
Ujoveza izinto
Ngiyeza.
Futhi ngithanda kanjalo mina, ngithanda bakuyi open discussion.
Yeah, sike sixoxe. Alright.
Ke shebile
Yeah.
the manner in which you express yourself. Ke thola hore your expression is from within.
Okay.
Unkutlile mtswadi?
Yeah.
It's from within. Ha are puo tsa rona di diluted. Empa ke batla ho bua ka puo ya ka.
Yeah.
Ke kopa ba mamedi le mamela ntho ke tlo e bua. Ntato o ntsa bua ke mo kene hanong.
Yeah.
For sa qetang ho se bua hona jwale.
Sure.
Ke khutlela ho podcast.
Yes.
Ke khutlele ho ke podcast le intwe tse re shebella mo ntofong a ke rena le di video clip podcast and what ena engwe ena tsona tse ke re mara ona le analysis ke yentse for the past 2 years.
Okay.
Ka language pride e ke thola hore official languages tsa rona di 11. But on the pride that I identified in our country from the Zulu nation.
Yes.
You know, the coming youth, the Zulus, le batho ba baholo. How about the podcast? Podcast is Zulu. Ke tsa bana ba ka awele some people around mo ke tsamayang teng. E khutlele ho much and much. E khutlele ho ntate Phakela. When they talk and address people, babua ka seZulu. Now, potoke hopane maZulu are so prideful. You back to the history of the Zulu.
Yes.
Today, we have Inkatha Freedom Party. Ke jwetsa batho ke re Inkatha before bana le di party tsa batho ba batsho. Ne rena le di movement. Inkatha ineli Inkatha cultural movement for the Zulus. Before eba freedom party. Ocho hore amongst us akere rona ba bang Basotho Xhosas and the Pedis. Ha re latele meetlo ya rona. Batho bana meetlo ya bona e sa le ba bulela. Ba o tshwere. Ke ka ho the Zulus are not easily infiltrated compared to others.
Yeah.
Ke a leboha ke kopa tswela.
No, ntate Hlahani ukhuluma iqiniso baba Hlahani. ngento ekhulumayo uyabona especially kule country yethu esikuyo ingakho whatever eyenzakalayo uze bathi yo amaZulu anesibindi uyabo into ukuthi balokubahleli bashiwe khona ukuthi asizoyiyeka lento lenana singamani sayifela lento lenana kodwa sihleli kulento asizoyilahla uyabo manje labe ngiyakhona mema Mabulu ukuthi singabantu abamnyama sishiwe negolide kodwa then comes the time eyabantu abangaphandle ukuthi ngizoyithatha isifundisi ubone khona manje mawungathi praise the Lord kusho ukuthi hayi wena umfundisi wena kahle kahle uphansi kakhulu abokhokho nabomkhulu bethu thina sikhule siyazi ukuthi bathi bare modimo kwa nkwemetsi ke bare khomo ke modimo wa nkwemetsi uyabona umntwana makagula kade angayiswi nasesibhedlela kade alashelwa khona ekhaya lana uyabo amasiko la wethu lana ukuthi kumele kuhlanganiswe amadlozi beziyenzwa from ekhaya khona manje into zebakutshela ngobudimoni ukuthi wenza abudimona kumele uthandaze lo Jesus lo oveliswe lapha esithombeni uyo umuntu ngesikhathi leso asimazi sikhula sibangaka besiyazi ukuthi kumele uchisa impepha isintu sethu thina ama-African ukuthi chisa impepha
isonto lakho likuphi mfundisi
isonto lami ngapha ngasesha ngixolise
ngathi sengizoqala ngesontweni lakho likuphi mfundisi
ngivela ngaseshavile eThepiso ebabuchabalala
lingaseThepiso
eThepiso ephase 1
cha ngizoke ngenze isikhathi ngoba manje eqinisweni nje kuphela sokuyisikhathi samaqiniso
uyabona babuchabalala mama Bulo no babuhlanya Mababula silahlile khona manje nje nana le mithi ekade silachwa ngayo ekade igujwa phansi ne abelungu bayithenile bayifaka ngaphakathi kwama container lena nasesibona ukuthi lena iyathakatha ayilunganga le bayishiftile manje ukuthi ilahlani lento yenu ayisebenzi esebenzayo yilele yethu lenana sabona ukuthi leni yasebenza ingakho khona manje ubona ngithi ne generation yethu ingane zethu zilahlekile
le yasebenza le yasebenza inama chemicals ama chemicals anama side effects
tatehlane bana bakuyasizo kala umuntu akuyasizo
anama side effects
yes
but how raw we sebedisa ile jwalo winwa it cleanses the body your internal organs they become so clean and the cleanliness that we see from you is exposed with your external features. In other words, your bone, your muscles, and physically, so when we look at you, we see a healthy person. But hona jwale ka taba o qetang ho bua ka yona ba re tlositse dinthong tsa rona ho tloeng dinthong tsa rona se ka hane ntate Tshabalala a qala ho tlositswe ka tsela e jwang ke tla tabeng eo ke buile ka prehistorical history ya Africa. Number 1, the cradle of mankind is Africa. In other words, globally, any race is a descendant of an African man. Ke bana ba rona ka
tatehlane o iphetha pe kutlo ore motho o mollo mongwe re mmona nga phela lefatsheng o na le DNA ya Africa.
On a le DNA ya Africa.
Ho ba le bophelo botswang.
Now, Ho tlo kgona ho e thola hantle. We are all Africans living in Africa. I said, Renale division ya Africa, which is sub-Saharan Africa and Northern Africa.
Yes.
What makes the distinction between the two? Sub-Saharan African states, if I'm not mistaken, comprises of 36 African states. The rest, you minus 54 African states against 34. What remains is for Northern African.
Yes.
Now, Northern African states, their populace, their skin color is white, which is the Egyptians, the Moroccans, the Tunisians, you name them.
Morocco.
They are white in the Morocco.
Yes.
They are white in color. But sub-Saharan Africa, we are dark-skinned. Are we together?
Mm. Yeah.
Now,
yeah.
if batho ba rona ba mametse mo ke buang teng mo, go back to your Google, especially the youth. Google what makes the difference between us, Northern African and Sub-Saharan Africans.
Climate.
Then o tlo thola ditaba moo.
Climate.
Hore today, why ho na le ntho e bitswang ka hore ke United Nations ya matjhaba. But the treatment by Northern and Sub-Saharan African states is different. Then it means we are living under what we call racism. It is institutionalized. Are we together? It has been endorsed. Or because you are black, we don't put that aside. Now we as black people, what do? And we are not fighting for recognition. No. We are fighting for self recognition, not to be recognized by the outside world.
Sure.
That is self-pride. Now we go back again, pre-historical era. Then coming back to post, which is the current era that we are in. For us to understand all those, black consciousness. Why don't we understand ourselves? Hobane re say understand. Steve Biko Ori, black men, be proud of yourself. Introspect, understand yourself, and have pride of who you are. And what makes us not to understand ourselves today is what the colonizer have done to us.
Yes.
Now, post-colonial era, we put two concepts. Steve Biko I write what I like. Steve Biko Ori. Nto e yentseng hore re be regarded as feudal nations amongst other nations is after colonialism, there came Anglo-Boer War. After World War II. Maburu, le Manyesemane, they had an enclosure talking about now how are we going to run South Africa, the Republic of South Africa. Yaba Maburu ba buisana le Manyesemane hore now when you are the colonizer.
Bajeta Mabu.
Bare rona re the colonizers. Then re tlo khotlela back to Britain. Steve Biko Ori, concepts that were introduced to us after this deal, where the Afrikaners, after making this deal with the English-speaking people, Yaba introducer separate development, which is apartheid.
Divided.
Yaba who create on to the township. Skolong ke ruta economics. Economics is political science. How can I sheba hantle? Now, kahare kamane o thola hore oh batho bana ba re tlosa kahara toropo. We saw the township. Bona ba salamane re this is a town. Now ke jeta bana ka classing ya ke ba ruta ke re letsa English. English re sheba the root of the word. Ke town, okay? Now, how do we extend a word? We extend a word in the English class with a prefix and a suffix. When you use them, with clear understanding, Yan STB ko 18. Bantu education introduced black people into wrong concepts. It introduced black people to wrong concepts that are misleading. That is why the kind of lifestyle that we live today. Are we together?
Yeah.
Now, to reverse this, our people must understand what is meant by colonialism, what is meant by imperialism, and who is the Afrikaner. Then the Afrikaner and the white man from Britain, British are Britain as the colonizer. Then when I was Salamona, obey the administrator.
Yeah, the resources start.
Yeah, the resources start.
The
All those resources. Are we together?
Yeah.
You are going to administer the country. Now, these people, when they left the country, they started to draft their policies as well as their systems. So what policies and systems did they draft, the Afrikaners? Bari, Rodula Lidi Kafuri Kitzin. The Kafuri Tena had bona white skin. Dia tutu me.
Yeah.
Parolo ba yone. Dia ba tutu me. Baru jwale nka seba. Ya ba sebaka se ba senka. Se Steve ko buileng ka wrong concepts. Tell it today. When I am in the class of economics, I taught, I ended teaching 1999. Ka COVID, Department of Education came banka ma teacher a khale wa rabitwa ga loko panamane for SIP, wa itseba SIP again, which is SIP ya Saibono. Now nahe I'm a tutor as we speak. Bana dikolo dikotsi ke bona ba tseba fa di class.
Yeah.
Bana ha dintse di butsi dikolo ba fa di class ka di secretary ba fa di camp ntse tso kaofela. But to my dismay, when I come into economics class, basic concepts of economics, our kids don't understand them. Listen, basic concepts of economics is what we call economic terminology. How would you understand economics without understanding the language used inside the textbook?
And hona mono ntate hlahana. Ubui ukhulume ilinye igama lana nokuthi uyabona ukuze uzazi ukuthi ubani kumele uqale emuva.
Uzokwazi ukuthi
uyazi ukuthi mangithi ngunhlaphu ngiyazi kusuka emuva le. Then mangayiqala kahle uyabona namanje awuzisithi silahlekile ngoba lokuthi asikhona nokubamba imizi because asizazi. But mawungayoqala le then uzoyazi nokuthi kumele uye kuphi.
But do you know Babuntapo Luana Mama Mabuda? The system that they introduced to us, Kiona Erezang or Kajino, Rebebe Mombotsana Libona. Hasin Nato Bontataba Watowato, the Bombe Abati Botswana Mala. Malapai Sala Twiho to a dilemma lemo.
Babu Shabalala ngifuna ukungena khona la. No, silahlile uyabona khona manje. Silahlile ngithi even singabo baba. Ne, even nabo mama. Uyabona umama oyazi kusuka ekhaya uyawubamba umuzi, uyazi umuzi ubanjwa nje, uyazi ukuthi umuntu obaba uphathwa kanjani. Inhlonipho. Umuntu obaba uyazi ukuthi mina ngilana because ukuze ngibuilde umuzi lo wami umsebenzi wami ngubaba yini. Ingakho khona manje ubona abo baba balahla abantwana imizi yachitheka, abo mama bahloniphi ukuthi inkinga nje kuphela because asizazi. But mawungazazi wena ukuthi unhlaphu akabani, uphuma kuphi, imvelaphi yakho iphuma kuphi, then ukuya phambili angeke kulahleke. Ngeke ngishade Hangiceda ngulhlapho mina ngubaba bengiyohlala emzini kaMtawulu. Yini kona lokho ukubonisa ukuthi angizazi.
Mama Bula.
Ntate Shabalala.
Unonso platform.
Bengifuna
platform. Liyachisa leli babili. Mayikhuluma uyashisekelwa. Nawe mayikhuluma uyashisekelwa kodwa makisifaka umama.
Yeah.
Abomama bazosishaya le ekhaya.
Renke ke Paule ka di 4 tsa July. Go ke batla go khutlela mantswe nga ntate gore ha o tseba mo tswang teng o tla tseba le mo yang teng ene o tla le ka sebedi.
Yeah.
Re ne re le lefu kwa ntho e leng gale re itetetse jwalo. Monna molo a neng a bolokwa o ile a bea molao a re yena o tlo patwa ka 3 o'clock jwalo ka bontate ba hae.
Wow.
Ntate Shabalala e bile jwalo fela o ile a patwa ka 3 o'clock ka meso ka masa qwaqwa o anetse fela go tloa moshara a tliswa ka heshe fela hae ho ya mabitleng bontate ba ne ba motshwere. Rona bo mme ka ofela ka ne re setse hae.
Amen.
O patuwe ke bontate fela.
Yeah.
Kwa boreneng.
Sure.
Ona khutlisa setso
ona
sa
khutlisa setso sa hae.
Sure.
Ha se gale beke tsa pedi se fetile ka di 4 tsa July ka Moqwaqwa.
Yeah.
Bosiu bo ha re ntse re pheha ho bana jole motho lo patwa ka 3 batho ba khutlang ba ne se ntse o jwa tla o fedile. Bosiu bo ha ona sefela se neng se bima mo. E ne le mekorotlo fela dipina tsa Sesotho bosibu kaofela.
Ana fatshe la go.
O feleditswe ke bontate fela.
Fatshe la go tla Mama Bula.
Ke re setse kaofela hae. Batho ba le kwa bontate ba le maditleng kaofela ha bona. Ntho ntle jwalo. Ha ke tlo tsamaya ke ba botsitse ke re na ntho e tsaetseng e be tlo etsana la o qetela. Kapo re nka utlwa mo re tswela pele ka yona na. Hobane ke ntho ntle haholo. O ha ke so bone the bride ko motlotlo o jwalo ka setso sa rona ntho ntle ha ka lo ntate Shabalala ntho ntle ha ka. O patuwe 3 o'clock ka meso.
Yeah.
Bontate ba mojara ba itshwara ba yena. Ba ikisa ha ba khutla ba no sena di plate no sena di former pack. O tshetswe dijo hana mane.
Bontate
ba ja ka ile ngwe kaofela ha bona no sena di plate tse ntseng di fofa di a o di tlase batho ba ne ba ja mane kaofela ha bona no sena dintho tse ngata e ne le papa le nama fela go nena ya hae e ne e feletsa go mena hae ne feletsa ne le ona fela papa le nama fela
Ho sa etswa mehlolo.
ho sa etswa mehlolo
083 591 8214 083 591 8214 ke WhatsApp line ya rona ha o batla go buisana le rona. Letsa mo o tla kopana le rona mona studio re na le baiti ba rona ka jeno e le mme Mama Bula, ntate Hlahane le ntate Moruti Skekete. Topic ya rona ka jeno re bua ka lentswe lena Africanism. Ha re bue batswadi ba this Africanism intse na le sebaka ka jeno. Africanism boemong bo re phelang mona intse na le sebaka.
Ke tshepa hore sebaka ha seyo empa hore sebaka se be teng if re ka ema ka maoto jwale ka ha re le studio hona jwale di studio tsa rona tsa nka center stage sa ho khutlela mane ke tla dula ke boka Steve Biko ha Steve Biko a re black men you are on your own. Ha Steve Biko a bua ka self determination hore se inyatse mo o leng teng ska bua ka mefuta e meng bua ka wena if re ka dula jwale ka ha mme a bule a re ha a tloa kwana Qwaqwa o itse ebe ntho e tla fella mona kapa jwang na ke nana ho ha no fella mo jwale ka ha o so e bua hona jwale ba mametse ba bang mo ene e hlohlontsha ba bang ba itse ba hore le hona ho lo etswelisetsa pele mo re yang teng ha se re utlwile mona ka mantswe ma ha re sebedisa di platform tsa rona le di kerekeng re bua ka rona re sa bui ka di fake news re bua ka rona direct go na le mo go tla finyella teng ke tshepa jwalo.
ha ke re ba le melaetsa ya bona ka mona Precious Twin 1 o re isisho city isintu siyabukwa re na le Koko Mnyama wa dumedisa Koko Mnyama ka mo re be na le Sara Tebogo o re hai ntse ke na le lona bana beso re be na le mama wa potela mona ke tla nne ke di bule jwalo he bana beso ke tla nne ke di bule re be na le Bile Motshweneng o re love o re ke rata lenaneo lena re be na le Sara Tebogo Sara Tebogo se ke ba di le hae re tla nne re di bale jwalo jwalo ha ntse di kena batswadi hore hobane tšhaba sa rona se a timela re se shebile mahlong lefatshe la rona le a re fetohela bitsong la hore tšhaba se sena meetlo se a timela jwale ke nnete nako eo ya ho timela ke ena ya fihla hoba ke dumela re le generation ya ho qetela e tla be e bua puo generation tse latelang di rutwa hore puo tsena ha di bue ha o bua puo e tshwanang le ena o morao haholo re etsa jwang hore naha ya rona melaotheong ya bona because for as long as our constitution ka hara naha ya rona is recognized as black people. Why I'm saying that the day our economic system ya rona iba Africanized, our education system ya rona iba Africanized, that's when mo re tlo qalang re phamise mahetla le bana ba rona ba ikutlwisise ho bua ka di lost generation because bana ha ba ikutlwisise hore re batho ba batsho empa re rutwa to express ourselves ka foreign languages jwale ntho e ba tarakanya dihlooho ke ka ho ba fumana bana ne se ba ja dititifatsi di is because bana mo ba dutseng teng ha ne ba itseba ke ratile ntho e tate Hlana e buile hore ntate moholo wa Mozulu wa 1938 le ngwana wa Mozulu wa 2025 ba tsama seporo se le se ba tseba hore morena wa bona ke mang ba tseba leleme la bona le jwang ba tseba motantsho wa bona le menyako e ba etsang ka puo ya bona jwale di thabentse tse ding hobane ke re ha ne se ka morabe ona wa Mazulu ke ipotsa ona ya rona nka belo ka ke ipotsa na ya rona nka belo because ntongwe e batho ba sa itlwisise gore batho bana ba tena ba tlala diterata ba etsa di march ba etsa is because they understand ntona e bitswang the spirit of patriotism kore ha o no jwetsa Mozulu go KwaZulu Natal a se hae o keke wa mmolella ke ya hae jwale bana ba rona ha bana the sense ya hore na ha yena ke ya bona ke ka ho ba isenyang le setjhaba sa rona ke ka ho bona se tsholla ditoti everywhere o lahlwa dibotolo tsa majwala everywhere wa rutuwa fela everywhere wa rwakwana fela everywhere because they don't have a respect for the country. Because if you respect the country, you will respect yourself. Wow. John, as Africans, stand this or bring back ourselves. Retsa eng hore ngwana ke motlosa ke misa crèche. Beketse ba ngwanona o lo ithuta technology le boyena ba hae ngwanona o qala a itsebe a le crèche le ka matlong re be na le responsibility as parents ya hore how do we teach bana borona ba rona ba tseba hore lapeng lena la Mofokeng lapeng lena la Mokoena lapeng lena la Dlamini la ha Thulo la ha mang re bo mang
tate Thabela
yes
e ka ke ba na le 5 hours
yeah
taba o buang ka yona concept ke na self identity. Go dutse re thaveneng ganwa re kerekeng re go kae go dutse re setšhaba se setso di differences tsa rona di tlala mokotla ke go tlela collegeng ene ke teacher go yona ne ke sebetsa le Indians and white people matitšhera batho ba tsogele ba gago fela ka break go tla bana le di-argument
Okay.
re tla re zinang ka tsela tse fapaneng but I discovered something argument tse ha di kala di re mo tafoleng white people ba reason ka tshwana more or less Indians they reason the same ha tla ka rona ga ba ga bona ba bangata go feta they outnumber us
Yeah.
ke tlo reason ka tsela ya ka a reason ka tsela ya ka my brother at the back a reason ka tsela ya and the country ya subservient behavior ya ne ya go kenya le magoa ana le magoa ena ba tla me go ena
o ba sona
that Chabalala we itse ka molo white kids they walk upright confidence ba rona ba tsamaya ba sebisitse so fast now picture ke fading ka yona le thotse ka ga tsa gona di tletse sekolo ke ena taba ha re gutlela morao re tla kwana go bona le concept ya ne le African civilization and global civilization ya kena concept ya ne ya hore black men cannot do without a white man ya causa divisions amongst black people
ha re boleleng batho nnete gore Europe can't survive without us ha se nnete ntho gore we can't
yes the divisions tse di khositseng
yes
ya re etsa re be mechanica setšhaba se setso ha o bala dibuka tse phahameng ga bana le the so-called African converts ga bana le the so-called African liberals ga bana le the so-called African radicals which is radicalism now the system how khutlela morao o sheba tsela e re lwantshitseng struggle ka yona but imenseng ke ba feng amongst us black radicals the system ya ba duba they died majority of them mysteriously
o bua ka bontate Sobukwe
go bua ka bo Sobukwe go bua ka bo Steve Biko
bua ka bo Thomas
Sankara bua ka bona kaofela bo Sabolo Phama kaofela le today our judges they fail to stand up and say ha re boleng di case tsa batho ba tla ba go ba tsamaile jwa ka baka la yona ntho ya liberal ideas as well as converts an African convert Korke an African who is converted into believing into
whiteness
there is nothing that we can do without a white man we have plenty of them amongst us we're sitting in a big stadium we're talking about ourselves they are there as mpimpis those who take center stage 10% of them over time they disappear then batho ba bona ba retreata ke tshaba go bua because of this mme wa ka wa nthola hantle
utlwa hantle ke ntho etsahalang ke primary school batho ka in the foundation facing Tate Chabalala le bontate ba ka re fuwe monyetla wa ho ruta bana ka language ya bona life skills e tswa ka Sesotho le ka Sezulu maths o rutwa ka Sesotho le ka Sezulu empa ke batla go bolela yona ntho ka tla bua matšhara rona a inyana
they are converted
ha ba batle to an extent ya go ba batla go apply le go bana ba rutwa ka English fela ha ba batle la go dia bona
ene ke batho ba tshotshwa
ba
so ne
bona department education e ble re ya inyolla a ke re ruta ka language ya rona grade 1 to 3 hona jwale ba re ba ikenya ho tloha grade 4 to ha ba kwata batho
because
batsho.
who ke rata motho a tlileng ka that concept because ngwanona o metsa a be na di roots
ha itsebe
ke ne ke makalletse CEO ya rona ya station mona and that ntse bana ba hae ha ba le banyane crèche o ba isa crèche ya location dikolo grade 1 2 o ba isa location ke re ndoto ka jane ndoto ngoba wena right why ungayisa abantu athi cha mshini umntwana kumele aqale ngamaroots wakhe azi ulimi lakhe azi ukudla umdoko azi ukukhuluma inhlonipho ukuthi into enjani yabona masomsusa nje somisa le ubuya sengasahloniphi ubuya sengasakwazi nokuthi ame esihlalweni uma umuntu omdala efuna ukuhlala esihlalweni kitakatso yaka hore this topic reke re tlo ibulela lo futa mona
Exactly.
ke tlo qoqa because ka nako e telele ntate Hlahane re le batho ba batsho ha re ke re bui ka rona re bua ka bona ene hona ho sa re tswele molemo batho ba batsho re spenda nako e ngata re latella bona
ga Mickey Mouse
o re di Mickey Mouse
copycats
o bo sheba le ka mona ka di television tse ba re betse ka tlo ba retsetsa disopi o dula o shebeletse sopi o bo botsa o sopi e re isa kae
morero
le sepheo sa sopi e reng hobane ke bona e hanana le tsa heso jale nna ka mehla le matsatsi ke re botsamaisi ba station sena di CEO ya station sena ke ya ba leboha hobane e la ra re fitla re beya concept re kopa ke re etse show o tu show you ke a ke show you ke a setso ha ba ka batho ba inyatsitse wa ti lebitso la rena ke ubuntu bethu botho ba rona o fitlile nako mme whether ba rata kapa ba rate na kwena ke ya ne bitswa revelation o tshwantse di nnete di bewe
ha o bua mantswe ao they get rid of radical black people na social media ke commenta ka haholo ke re white man Steve Biko o itse a le ka hara court a botsa the judge hore what is it that you fear when I say I want to live my life man good people look at
o tshoswa ke
about that ka court or
ha ke phela bo Africa
a white man you are in my country I'm not saying I want to take your life I want you to live yours
and allow me to live mine
and then when we have problems in future let us come together and work out our problems together and move forward with this country but finally Steve Biko was brutally killed Kamashano
for defending blackness.
The commenting here. The more you kill them, the more you delay the progress of the country. Other than being open to the realities of this life. You are creating a better future for your kids as white people. Other than fearing us. Steve Biko Orobona, you have fear of the unknown. Lona, you think we want to come to town and take what is yours. No. What did Steve Biko do? During his era, Steve Biko Bamosolaka, what he did. I mean, guys, we go to school for what? For survival. Nothing else. And Steve Biko, Arenakito Bula, technical institution, yaka ya batho ba batsho e ke tlo ruta batho ba batsho technical skills so that we can have our own things. In other words, we look at two concepts, which is culture and tradition. Batho ba batsho ba ka Africanism, they think re bua ka lafiane ya ho ya le tamong go lo khametse ka di ML. No. Tradition. That is tradition. Traditional way of living. Tradition evolves. It evolves with current trends. In other words, what it was yesterday, today is different. Now, when we look at it today, we don't call it tradition anymore. We call it current culture.
Yeah.
So current culture is what we call a culturated culture, whereby different people live together with different cultures and create a common culture for themselves. What men have gone to Steve Biko? Karen, Hane ba ile ba mamela Steve Biko ka 1977. Gathola maybe freedom ka 1978. Good people. E ke be re sena marugo a fihla mo.
Mofatshe
E ke be re sena ona. E ke be re sena bana ba sheba batswadi ka mahlong.
Yeah.
Ba go unketseditseng. Nakong ya pele ngwana hana qeta sekolong, ona gona go ba an independent thinker.
Yes.
A gona go iketsetsa. Ba ka jeno they want to inherit. And this thing of inheritance, ke yona e buleile setšhaba sa bo bona. For bana, haholo le for batho ba bomme. Ene bo mme le ntshwarele mo ke le leng teng. Hobane phoso e etsahetse ka 1994. Ka 1994, what we expected was the ANC could have organized groupings for our people in our schools, in our churches, in the social media, as well as in our taverns. Who recreated the topic every month when we talk about ourselves. Yeah, Bill, the Marriage Act.
All right.
The Marriage Act. We continued with the system ya apartheid.
European system.
And we were not involved. And South African Marriage Act was based on customary law, but we still follow the civil law. Now, who does the civil law benefit?
White people.
It benefits a white man. Do you understand that? But what I like, we've got ladies like Enhle, Jacinta and others. But like a proposal, yeah, SACR, which is South African Constitutional Reform. By petition, I certainly told, yeah, petition or government to reform our constitution. People on the ground must be taken into account. Our voices must be heard, like what we are talking about today. We want to get rid of this black convert.
Hey.
Black convert or now when I talk about myself, and they are in thousands. They dilute our people. The liberal majority, majority are the middle class. The teachers, the nurses, the social workers, etc. They want to preserve their jobs. They don't want to get into the community. When I voice what I see, I'm going to be labeled that way. Those are liberal people. Liberal or a white man, yes, you are in. Keep on taking center stage. We will follow. That is a liberal black man. So, radical black man or no, this is my country. This is my continent. You must give me space. I want to reclaim. I want Africa to be mine. And you must come and follow suit.
Can I ask you, Mr. Fan? Ho tlile jwang hore merabe e meng kapa batho ba bang ba itseng ba dule kae ba be ba etsa conference e reng let's go and oppress other people, let's go and conquer them? What is this thing that they fear about a black man? Hore
Yes.
Babe ba kopane, I understand the Pope ne di mo tsana.
Yes.
I understand the president tsana ko ne di mo. Conferencing e la itsuwa ho ke Berlin conference.
Yes.
Which na when I explain it, Kire, that's a world war.
Yes.
Isn't this tribal wars about Bulalankato now they were world wars? No.
Berlin Conference was the first.
The Berlin Conference was a world war.
Yes.
Because
Against humanity.
Europe was planning to attack Africa, was planning to attack other human beings. And they classified, I don't know if in their explanation, because I keep it, but according to me, it was a world war. Now, Putswagakena, what is this thing that they feared so much? To say, let's go and conquer those people, because their motto was one: remove them from their beliefs, remove them from their culture,
Babu Chabalala.
make sure that you teach them that their God is a lesser God, but our God,
It's a powerful one.
it's a powerful one. What makes people to think so evil about other people?
Yazi Babu Chabalala. Okay. All right.
Ke buile ka pre-colonial era, before batho bana ba tla kwana. Good people, let us talk the talk, man.
Yes.
O na le lapa la gago.
Yes.
Bafethu, le na le malapeng a bo lona.
Yes.
O na le lapa la hae, ke na le lapa la ka, ke na le lapa la ka,
Yes.
na le lapa la gago.
Yes.
Be honest with yourself. You are such a responsible father and mother. And the weekend, the festive season, your kids are contained. Kimashano? Your kids are
Contained.
those balingarang around outside. Ke bana ba hlokang hangata. You want it? Okay, bana ba hlokang. O fumana o hana ntate ka bana mme. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, ask yourself a question. Europeans, then the world was so spacious. I will hope the fat. The waves still water. They are heavier than today. But a white man at risk of getting a water. Moto aring kidula Europe ke phela hamonate. Can he do that?
No.
They cannot. Those people were running away from Europe, which was highly populated. Bagolobata, the greener pastures somewhere. And they did it how many times? Amongst them, we had barbarians, we had the Vikings. Okay? Baya bahuta. Who fihlela ba tlosa settlement where as settlers ka 1820 ba fihle ka 1652 ntse ba ya bahuta ba riska ntho tse ka mabakana. Can't you see hore the distorted history that was given to us by the colonizer? Wa utlwisisa colonizer o entseng ha ke boka imperialism and colonialism. Colonizer o tsamaile a khutla a drafter a fata imperialist. Imperialist ke man, a white man who settled in the African continent in South Africa. Asala as the custodian of what? Of the colonizer. I'm going to take care of Africana Ankadi Tota High, either socialism, are all public sectors are going to be controlled by myself. The public sector go fail. Either socialism inside our country. Maburu asebeta public sector go fail, ba uplifta maburu ka di resources ta hona. The imperialist again ka private sector. I control all private businesses in our country since then to current date. Now, Steve Biko boka di concept. Oka classing urutabana economics. Oro bona give me 4 sectors of the economy. I mean to say, what are primary industries that we have in South Africa? How many? And worldwide, there are 3. Primary sector, that's economics, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Listen, we're supposed to teach our kids in that way. This is how I teach them economics in the class. But why are you teaching us this subject so differently from others? Responsible of reclaiming what belongs to you. I write it on the board. Primary sector. How many? Are 2. Agriculture and mining. Secondary industry, which is conversion of raw materials into final products. Tertiary sector, wholesale, retail, public sector, transportation, telecommunication, etc. Can you see that? How ka to mola jwalo? O tla part engwe monate. You are going to cry with this part. Ke tla ka yona ntate. E o to qala ho utlwa today. E tlo etsang ho today ha o shebella TV. O tsebe o shebelletseng and who are you? You know what is it? Ke lo bana baka. Later business studies, re ka economics. Business study ke bua batho. Teaches you about forms of ownership. How many forms of ownership do we have? Number 1, sole trader. Partnership.
Company.
Close corporation. Private company. Public companies. Like one again? Now, public sector. Government ownership. Right. Sole trader, partnership, close corporation, and this.
Private.
Who owns them? I see so far. Primary sector, secondary and tertiary. Ownership of all of them is in the hands of white people and Indians. Because who bless keep? Ki fufule lo ska ki fufule tso. Ke tlhobola skipa ka tlase. Ke bana ba ke batla le utlwe le seke la tshaba. Ownership is in the hands of these people in our country, controlling our resources. White people and Indians, are they having kids who are attending schools like you in South Africa? Yes, sir. They do. Their kids, they go to school up to high school level, majority of them. Tertiary, it's you. These companies owned by their parents, they absorb them and occupy positions with high school qualifications. Then Lona Kopanamani tertiary, or with a diploma, with a degree, with a master's, with everything. How can that? Who is going to employ you because they employ their kids? Except giving you an ordinary job. It goes back. A black man, what are you doing? What are you doing? For you to have a business, you need to have an investment. Okay? So that you can raise funds to establish. Indians and white people, they raise funds, they establish.
And they were assisted by the government. Their government assisted them.
Yes. Black people, we save money. Kadi society tabomme. Remetili full tombstone. You go to the graveyard. The tombstone udika. I was in the graveyard. Look at these tombstones. Diawa. Tamaburu diemikili factory. By employer banababo. TV, teachers, doctors, etc. We march to the government and say we need employment. Who's going to employ us? If we are not creating job opportunities for ourselves, Steve Biko says, black men, you are on your own. Self-determination. Stand up, do things for yourself. Le lapin mo mo le mametseng ke kopa a ke re nahaneng ka tsela engwe e different. Re na le issue ya land occupation. Land hona jwale is occupied re la ka mabitla. Re bule ka tradition and culture. Culture evolves. It is not static, man. It is dynamic.
Azanta tehlahani ke batla ho thiba mo. yazi umbuzo wakho
iyashisa lisho
iyashisa le
ngiyabona bokuhlala ujulukile
yeah no
ava kwakho ngizocela kungena umama
alright yeah uyabona umbuzo wakho ngiyawuthanda mawuthi kahle kahle labantu yini ebayenza ukuthi bahlangane and bahlangane ngomuntu omnyama ukuthi siyohlasela lo muntu babashabalala asinoyifihla asinothini umuntu omnyama unamandla uphiwe
uyigolide
umuntu omnyama uyigolide khumbula aba prophet abokhokho bethu kade bakhona ukukhuluma nezulu noNkulunkulu without isikhathi washi izini ini yazo ebethi makathandaza into beziyenzeka
futhi imvula enetha ubengathandazi bekekhuluma noNkulunkulu
akhuluma
naye
akhuluma into beziyenzeka uyangizwa into leyo then kulapho labantu and ukhumbule umhlaba lana kulelo umhlaba impi enkulu indaba yomhlabathi ukuthi sifuna lelizwe leli
ngenxa yezinto ezingaphansi komhlaba nezingaphezulu
ezitholakalayo ne then kulapho ubamhlahani ukhuluma enye into uthi bezile before attack uyeza uzobheka awuceda uhambe angithi then ungubuye ucheck ukuthi ibe isimo kungeneka kuphi kwenzakalani labantu yini kahle kahle igolide ebaliphethe then ukuze baqale basingene baqale ngokuthi basichintshe imiqondo yethu angithi yaba baqala basichintsha from la besikholwa khona siyokholwa le ebeza nayo ukuthi le yethu ayisebenzi uyayibona le ndaba then umama ukhulume enye into ngifuna ukubuyisela ababuki bakho emuva sizibheke sithe lanana le show lenana ukuthi sizazi and sizithembe uyabona mawuzazi uzozithemba kodwa mawungazazi ngeke uzithembe but mawuzazi wena uzozithemba
uzohlala uthukile
yeah then mabaqeda ukusi divert ukuthi sikholwe lento abeza nayo ubone kwenzakalana umama makakhuluma ukhuluma ngendaba ukuthi ukhuluma ngerespect inhlonipho
unjalo
umuntu omnyama kusuka kudala inhlonipho uyabona uNkulunkulu ukuze akuzwe mawukhuluma kumele uhloniphe into engekho khona manje bona abantwana ubaba wahamba wangifundisa into eyodwa ukuthi ungeke uyesifeni somuntu ngezikipa
imake mfundisa awuthi ngingena nje emasontweni lawa manje lawa engibona uNkulunkulu ukukhulunyana naye ngesilungu ngibona uyathethiswa man uyabona lapha uyathethiswa uNkulunkulu ngesilungu kupandwe imike uNkulunkulu kithisa wasebakile mudini muthola hasa uqatwale kuAfrikana kodwa ngibona emasiya emasontweni la wethu makukhulunywa noveli inqange nephimbo yalehlisa uyahlonipha ukhuluma nomnikazi wempilo
yeah
ngigcwalisela nje kule gama lishoyo because nokuyibheka nanoma ngibukela iTV ngithi labantu kodwa bona uNkulunkulu wabakezwa uneproblem ezindlebe kumele athethiswe kakhulu kaningi uNkulunkulu wabutshela ama problem thina wethu uNkulunkulu besiya nanoma siyobonga sesivunulile emasimini sithi siyabonga siyisizwe siyadla beyithi nanoma senza imisebenzi senzela umntwana umsebenzi ngokuya ngokuhlukahlukana kwayo besifika sithi masizo hlaba lesilwane sithi siyabonga manje uNkulunkulu manje mina ngibona ngathi wama-trouble kuphela
othethiswayo
uyathethiswa manje
inkinga leyo esiphethe ngifuna ukukutshela yazi ngathi singabuyelana emuva yazi abalaleli bakho nababukeli bakho ngathi bangazithathela lento ezikhulunyiwe lapha ukuthi omunye nomunye akabuyele kulabo befamily abasekhona abadala akayofuna indlela ngoba uyabona mawukhuluma into eyamasonto hayi singenelwe kakhulu singenelwe silahlekisile ingakho nakhona manje nje nani sifa sibanqani uyabona kudala le abantu bakudala kade bangafi njengoba sifa nje kade ingayenzeki dala le ingakho sithi ukudla okade kuphuma phansi yiko kunamandla yiko kade kusiqinisa hayi lokho esikudla khona manje so baba Shabalala ngeke uthi ubaba bengukuthethisa ubaba ukhuluma naye esubaba uyacela ubaba awushawudi nje kuphela so angithi khona manje amasonto akhona manje sanemimeya esingayazi mhlambe le ukushawuda kufuneka umeya ubona umuntu ashayana phansi enza bezingekho into le uNkulunkulu ngeke akwenza azokushayisa phansi
ubeka isandla kuthiwa soyawa hayi why mina ungawi manje malethi isandla isenze njani isandla
manje kakhulukhulu ukuthi sizwe esinsundu masizazi ukuthi singabobani umuntu onsundu uyathandwa umuntu onsundu uphiwe unesiphiwo umuntu onsundu uyenzelwe ukuthi aphathe lo mhlaba lonana umhlaba wethu ingakho babuhlanyane ashwathi uyabona the way beze ngakhona basifake ngasemuva kwedesk ukuthi wena impilo yakho izophelela la ngasemva kwedesk uzafunda benama qualification bona abantwana babo umfaka nje kuphela isikhatshanyana soka lapho umlahlele ehovisini wena mawuqeda lana na ufundile nama qualification uyoyenzela yena imali which is vice versa
bengisacela ukuthi
lebaka ke lena. A ke re buile ka economics. Buile ka economics. Batho bana ba tlisitswe ke economic poverty. Go tla ka mona. And these people ba thola hore Africa is resourced ka di raw materials. Ba nka monyetla wa technology. Ke ka hoo a qetella a ke gona ne re phela ka battery. Nakong ya naga.
Kufa
Exactly.
poni, umfa kgoho, kufa mabele, umfa mutlanyana.
Monate ke oo. E le bophelo bo monate. Bo sena stress and dijo tse fresh. O utlwisisa? Now bona le ha ba fihla ba introduce this thing ya medium of exchange, which is money, ba introduce tjhelete. Ba qala ka ntho ya ho kenya ntho bitswang ka hore ke international trade. O utlwisisa? So international trade eo, they exploited our raw materials because they've got the technology that side to convert our raw materials into final products. Then us, we buy them as final products to South Africa and Africa, and we call them imports. That is where the problem lies. Are we together? Now, problem is, the crux of the matter for all economies in Africa. That's why let us tap into colonialism. Let us understand the concept as it is. Let us understand imperialism, the concept as it is. Then we will understand that as rich as we are, but why are we the poor of the poorest? So within this concept of colonialism, they demean everything that is us by introducing their own culture, tradition, education system, religious belief systems into us. African converts. We believe who the belief system we cannot survive. Now, education system in man, separate entities where now more but especially at tertiary institutions, we were only given humanities. How can Shabateflu left here? It was only humanities, the faculty of humanity, which is social sciences. We went there, we were doing teaching, the lawyer, doctors, social working, police studies. You get what I mean? Now, all political parties, political leaders in Africa, they studied all those humanities, social sciences. They became leaders. Now, I make a joke. To now. How can you be able to do it before you see it? How can you be able to do it before you hear about it? So that's about what I mean. What is this? We're stripped out of technical and technological education and business education. That is what we are going at. Africa, Kaufel. Harina business acumen, Harina technical acumen, and technological acumen. Now, this one here, Ubaka, how are we going to cope with industrial revolution? Now, what are we saying now? This is 2026. How many years of democracy? 32. 32 years of democracy. I mean, we could have been at least far. Our government comes in, we give them a chance. That is what today Renale SACR, to reform the constitution, Bona Baitadi Bablandar. We had, during apartheid, technicons. We had technical colleges. The two were functional for the Boers. That is why the infrastructure of this country, it was so, advanced.
Yeah.
We speak about all kinds of industries. They were functional during apartheid because of students who were from technical colleges and technicals. Now the NC comes in. They convert our technical colleges instead of carrying on into TVET colleges. They convert our technicals into universities of technology. Now you go back and say, what was the reason for technical college? Kikupa Limbame. The reason for technical college is to produce technicians,
Artisans.
Doers,
People who build
You know-
the country.
I love it when you say artisan. Artisan is from the concept art.
Yes.
When you explain art, it means nothing else except the ability to do something exceptionally well.
Yes.
That is an art.
Yes.
Now, when you say artisanship, you are an extreme artisan,
Yes.
meaning that ke ha ke batla ho etsa ka di-artisanship. Ke re kena ka kitchen-eng heno lapeng, o kene ka dikamoreng ka di-bathroom. Ntho tse ka closer cabinet-eng kaofela ka kitchen-eng, it's art. Ka bathroom-ong disepa tse di roll on tseo tse di sebedisang kaofela, it's artistic materials. That is artisanship. But when we speak about this, it is not an art, it is a technical entity. Are we together?
Yeah.
Now, at a technical college, when you study technical subject, you become a technician. You go and work into an industry. This is the smart part of this.
Yeah.
In an industry, it's computers, it's cars, it's music systems, it's everything. When your job with your N6 is to do the repair work. Any damage into everything that we use in our industries, additional problem. Are you with me? You do it. You do it. After some time, you feel, no, the method we use here to fix this, it's a long method. You want to bring in something. Now we speak about theory and practical. Are you with me? Now you go home and jot something down and say, hey, let me go and submit this at an institution. But also technically, but you go technical. But scrutinize what you have written. Your thesis. What all research. Or long method to repair this. Are we together? By shape. You know, by Isako Academic University, engineers. Now, who work advanced countries, not South Africa.
Yeah.
Those engineers, they have hands-on experience of industry. In advanced countries which are economically advanced, the engineers are called technical engineers. Are we together? Now, those people, they will look at what you propose. Batongola buka tse ntjha, ke theory. Wa thola? Ba ngola dibuka tse ntjha. Ha e phasa, o swetsa BTech degree. BTech degree ba o introduce ho into research akere. Ha e phasa o lo etsa masters. Ha e fihla masters mane e phasa o fihla o lo etsa the last year. Bank application ena hao ba e kenya into our industries ba sheba. Ba etsa what we call pilot projects. Hore ya sebetsa. Ha sebetsa, they upload you. Ba o fa ntho e bitswang ka hore ke laureatus in technology. You become a technologist, no more a technician.
Batswadi,
Little
re
like
salletswe ke
Yeah.
metsotso e leshome
look at
fela mo re leng teng. Jwale ke ne ke batla ka mantswe a ho qetela. Baba Mfundisi, no mama, leshumi ngizocela ukuthi if not next week, a week after next. But ngingajabulela ukuthi next week. Ke tsa le panel. Yabona ngiyithandile ngoba sizwe from the side of teachers, sizwe from the side yabafundisi. I need to get 1 or 2 politicians from different political parties.
Thank you.
Because really this concept Africanism, I want us singene because kula ilahleke khona. Yabona umuntu omnyama uma engazithola ukuthi ubani ayikho into ezomhlula. Hence igama laleshuwe sikuyo ibizwa ngokuthi ubuntu bethu. For as long as singakazitholi sabantu sizophila lempilo uyokudlana. Uyazi labantu banesibindi sokuthi beze kuwe bakuthenga ukuthi ubulale mina. Because impilo yomuntu omnyama kodwa mina uma ngeza ngithi ngizokuthenga ubulale bona uzosaba ukuthi hayi. Kodwa it's so easy ukuthi umuntu omnyama adlule umuntu omnyama. So isifiso sami ukuthi ngifila ukuthi kusashoda kuningi kodwa ngeke sikwenze ngosuku olulodwa. Labantu bathatha iminyaka. Uyabona ukudecolonize ingqondo yomuntu kuthatha isikhathi eside kakhulu. Kunephutha elenzeka ngo-1994. Ngizonenzela nje ama-example amabili amathathu. Malokhu nizilungisela amazulu amabili wokugcina nje. 2 minutes. 1994 makuceda ukuvunyelwana ekhodisini esingazi ukuthi bokuvunyelwana ngani ngoba nalawo ma-minutes asiwazi as South Africans. Bona ukuthi kuzwisa ubuhlungu kanjani. Bokukhulunywa ngathi, kukhulunywa ngezwe lethu. Kodwa as South Africans, lawo ma-minutes asinawo ukuthi bokuthiwane ngathi. Kuvuke sokuphanwa ngedate. Kuthiwa nge-27 zika-April sizovota. Sahamba sayovota nge-28 or nge-29 kwathiwa sesikhululekile. Sikhululeka nje mina ngisaphila lapha ezone 12 nginale tear gas engqondweni yami, nginale nzondo engqondweni yami. Abafowethu sikhululeka nje baseTanzania baseLusaka baphethe izibhawu. Sinabafowethu abagcwele amazwe abanye base-Europe bakuphi kuthiwa senikhululekile you are equal. I'm expected ukuthi ngifile ukuthi ngiyikhwale nomuntu esoloko engicindezele impilo yakhe yonke. Moral regeneration. Sila asizange silungiswe ngasemoyeni, silungiswe ngasemqondweni. Mangigcina amazwi ami ngokuthi izingane esizibona manje ubuningi balezo zingane zizalwa abazali abalimele. Zizalwa abazali abalimele emotionally, abalimele abanye physically. Masibheke igeneration le esinayo. Ayizange ithole ukukhuliswa ngendlela esikhuliswe ngayo. Ngoba from 1994 kufika manje ngisasho South Africans impilo yethu yamanga, it's fake. Till we get rid of this fake life. Sibuyela empilweni yethu sabantu amanga lento esiyiphilayo sabantu. And even our histories lie. Yonke into esiyikhokhela akusiyona iqiniso. Lutho. But till sabantu abamnyama sithatha stand and say let's reclaim our dignity back. Let's reclaim what belongs to us. Umuntu omnyama ufundiswa ukuthi makukhulunywa ngomhlaba athi hayi bathu babathene bafika iplaza ngithi kuphiwa abantu abayi4 amaplaza kwathiwa noadayise mangiceda lawo mapha kupractice ukuthi umuntu omnyama ngeke enze lutho ngomhlaba. Who said masifuna umhlaba sofunela amaplaza? Ubani othi ngifuna ukutshala kuleyo mhlaba? Because umhlaba it's me. Umhlaba it's my identity. Umhlaba ama-roots wami. Angeke sibonakale sine dignity, angeke sihlonishwe ezinye izizwe as long as we are homeless and landless in our country. But the day sinomhlaba uma beza bazokhuluma nathi as business partners because sinomhlaba. Namhlanje bakhuluma nathi as garden boys and as kitchen girls because asina lutho ezweni lethu. Mama Mabuli, mantswe amabili awuqedela.
Mantswe a ka ho qetela ho babui le bamamedi ke a reng you're not a mistake.
Yes.
Ha wa senyeha letho ntse re na le chance. Batho ba batjha chance ntse le teng ya hore le itsebe le bo mang le tswa kae le ya kae. Emellang be maoto fatshe jwalo ka ntatemoholo wa ka qaqo ile a beha maoto fatshe hore nna ke tla patwa ka setso sa ka ke tlo patwa hantle.
Yes.
Ha wa senyeha letho ntse re na le chance.
Mme wa ka re a leboha ka mantswe a fanang ka tshepo. Re phela ka hara malapa a demoralized. Batswadi ba phela ka dikeledi. Bana ha ba tsebe pele le morao ho kae. Ba hloka mantswe a tshwanang le ha hore ha o so senye haholo. Ho tla loka. Wa tsa ebile batho ba bo rona ha re ka sheba ha o kena ka hare ho malapa hona le mantswe ana sebediswang. Wa fumana mme a dutse mane. A re wa tshwana. Ho senyehile. Ebile ke kgathetse. Ke mantswe malapa a rona a theuwe hodima puo tse jwalo. Ngwana ha hola ka hare ho lelapa le reng ho senyehile wa tshwana. Ngwana o hola a tseba hore wa tshwana. Ha hona phetho e nka ba ka etsa. O hola jwalo ka ngwana ana bolellwa ke ma mistress ana kgale ho dom. Wa itseba ke dom. La nka ba ka etsa eng? Mme wa ka tlung o mpolelletse. Mistress wa ka o mpolelletse hore ke dom. Ha hona ntho e nka ba ka etsa. Ntate Hlahane mantswe a mabedi.
Ke tla kola ka mantswe ana a se ntshwenyang.
Yes.
Social media e tlatsitse mantswe ana. Gender-based violence.
Yes.
Ke bua ka gender-based violence ke kgutlele ho television.
Yes.
Re na le channel ho thuke ba bitsa
151.
258 151 157.
157.
Yeke?
Yeah.
Ha ke batla channel eo.
Ke fenye mojala.
Mojala. Ha ke e batle.
Hobane o sa
Mme ba tla dula a e hlahisa dintho tsa nnete. Potso ke batho ba batlang moo ba accusewang. Ho thwe bophelong ho for platform ya to have a choice. Are the choices that we had time immemorial as Black people were informed choices? Kapa re ntse di choice ho kopisa motho a nang le hona e leng a white man le batla ho phela ska kae.
Yes.
Ebe ntho e hlahang moo e black man ntate a tlameleng e be a center stage of family upbringing a defamwa ke the system that we live in. Ha kgone ho ipuella. Di-townshiping hona jwale bontate ba tletse dikerekereng majwaleng ba baleile ka matlung ba re bue mabitso. So ha re tekole. Let us fight to have our own media. Let us talk about ourselves. Let us bring a black woman and a black man together. Totally suspicions. Those things must come to an end. Monna wa motho wa motsho le mosadi wa motho wa motsho emang tshwaranang ka matsoho. ANC ne tlamehile e entse ntho tseo ho tloha ka 1994. Ha re buisaneng re beng ka pele ha re qeta re ngole fatshe re re the role of the mother is this, the role of the father is this, and the kids will follow. Ke a leboha. Roles.
Ba
Bakuchabalana ethi ngibonge mani kubabuki bakho ngibonge nakubalaleli ukusipha lethuba ukuthi size sike sizobonisana sizoxoxa and futhi ngiyathemba ukuthi kuna okubalekile abaphume ngakho So amazwi wami okugcina ukuthi kumuntu omnyama wena ofila noma obone ngathi ulahlekile sebenzisa leli thuba akubuyele emuva uyofuna imvelaphi yakho. Imvelaphi yakho izokupha i-direction yakho impilo. Ngibuye futhi ngithi kubatsha intsha yethu yakhona manje ngithi kubo bonke akunanto endlula inhlonipho. Inhlonipho hiyo ezokwakha ukuze ube umama noma ubaba oqotho. Ngiyabonga.
Hake ke ba le molaetsa kuna wa Ausputsi re, good evening my leadership, I love you and I'm listening to you till the last hour. Ausputsi re a leboha. Sibusiso Hendrik ku wa re latela mo maleng teng. Ntswaki o re, hi guys, I'm with you. Zakhele Shoba o re volume. Lenaneo la rona le batla le fitlha pheletsong. A ka a o qetela a re tjhaba se se na moetlo se a timela. Tjhaba se sa itsebeng ha se no tseba mo se yang teng. Vuka Taki, isikhathi sifikile ukuthi let's tell our own stories. Isitori somuntu omnyama soloko exoxelwa umakhelwane. Namhlanje sokufika isikhathi sokuthi sabantu abamnyama ake sikhulume ngathi. Masishintsheni ukwenza ngasezindlini. Sikhulumile ngomakhelwane kwanele. Ake sikhulume ngathi siyikhaya ukuthi i-direction, i-vision yethu sile khaya leli lika Shabalala, sile khaya leli lika Dlamini. Ithini i-vision yethu? Therefore sizothola i-vision yezwe ya Gaola yayo. Ke a leboha. Ke lebile batswadi.
Amen.